Modeify is a commute analysis tool designed for Arlington Transportation Partners to provide businesses, commercial properties, and multifamily residential communities with a detailed look at your employees' or tenants' mobility and ride-sharing opportunities. Modeify can help your business solve parking challenges, inform transportation decisions, and develop effective commuter programs. To get started with Modeify, Arlington Transportation Partners must have a list of addresses for employees and tenants. This can be accomplished in one of two ways. You can provide a full list of addresses excluding individual names, or Arlington Transportation Partners can conduct a survey, allowing individuals to opt in to alleviate privacy concerns. Once the list is provided, Arlington Transportation Partners will upload the addresses to Modeify, at which time the system will provide a summary of information showing commute opportunities available to individuals. Here, you can see the percentage of employees or tenants who have access to transit, who could bike to work, and how many could carpool or vanpool. This information can help determine the types of programs most beneficial for your company or property. A map will also display clusters of employees or tenants and where they live or work in comparison to your site. By clicking Analysis, you can select a mode: transit, bike, walk, or carpool, and a maximum travel time to see how many people can use that mode to reach your site within a given time frame. By clicking Matches, you're able to view how many employees or tenants have carpool or vanpool matches within a certain radius. You can download this report to see individual matches to identify potential carpool or vanpool partners. Finally, an additional feature of Modeify includes Multisite Analysis. This is useful for properties that may be part of a larger portfolio, for employees with multiple offices, or to analyze a geographical area. Using multi-site analysis creates a larger pool of data for employees or tenants to find ride matches outside of their immediate building or work site, and can help large employers or property management companies make informed decisions about transportation. If you're ready to see how your company or property can benefit from Modeify, contact us at solutions@transpartners.com to let us know if you're interested, and we'll be in touch to discuss your goals.